Him in court. I reckon Corey Norman's worse.
What did he get sacked for?
The one with the
Cocaine.
the old fella.
Yeah.
That old fella was on the news, man. Says they weren't doing anything. Him and Kirby Bill.
Yeah.
Says they weren't doing anything. I like a bit of coke. This old fella's 77. I like a bit of coke. They weren't doing anything. They were getting it anyway. It was mine. This old fella. It's mine. And they're not getting nothing.
I reckon he's still celebrating from the freaking grand final.
But see, they're polite to let those videos out about it. Nick Politis, as soon as he changed.
Is that the guy that owns Roosters?
Yeah, man.
He's gonna, when he retires, leave them 500 million or something. He let that happen.
Yeah, because when they found out that the video that went out about Dylan Napa, it had happened when he was first started with the Roosters. And now he squashed it, wouldn't let it out.
Yeah.
As soon as Napa went to the Dogs, he let it go.
He's gone to the Dogs.
Yeah. And so he let it go. But the fucking integrity unit is going to say, why wasn't something done? Why weren't we informed when he was at the Roosters, when it happened? See, they could get fucking heavy fine. Yeah, good job. Because they won't get fucking to the Dogs. Dogs didn't know anything about it. Happened 3 years ago.
Hang on. The NRL owner is the old Bulldog president, eh? The NRL owner. He's the old Bulldog president.
Todd Greenwood?
Yeah.
Yeah, he doesn't own the NRL, but he is one of the Dogs. He was with the Dogs.
He runs the NRL, but he doesn't own it, eh?
No.
But he does run it.
Yeah, he runs it.
Yeah, because we walked past him,
Exactly
and Melissa said, see that guy? Tom Greenberg? He's the guy that, he used to be presidency of
Yeah,
Bulldogs.
he's the CEO.
He's the CEO of the NRL.
Yeah, he's the main man.
Did you used to see him when you were doing the uniforms for the Dogs? How did you get that gig?
Who?
You remember you were doing the uniforms for Bulldogs?
Ah, no.
They just come and see you, eh? Hey, remember when Daniel won the grand final at the Bulldogs home ground? Hey, Daniel? And Malachi done the shake a leg, and the boys were behind. Remember that? Oh, that's electric. Still look goosebumps all over my body. That was hectic.
Should have got me to
That was a good game then. That was an excellent game.
Should have got me to this game though. He's making minutes.
The fucking tennis.
Yeah.
I fucking hate.
I love tennis. Tennis is mad.
It's like fucking me watching cricket.
No, tennis is like golf.
They
It's
should
a
have
money
cricket.
game.
They should have cricket and tennis. Like
Bro, all you would be doing is rooting the girls, bro. You would be playing tennis. Such a fraud.
I can't sleep. I watch tennis with cricket. I'm fucking not up to sleep with his body. The one you make good money is golf.
What do you mean, fuck off? Golf's crazy.
And then you have the crowd up there with hits. And if they're cutting in from like
And then you laugh when
20
you hit someone in
yards,
the
20
head.
yards.
I played golf with Dean's dad up at Armadale. Mad game, man. This guy, we're 30 years later, he'll be golf champion. Hey, golf, man. 30 years later, golf champion. You'd be good at hand-eye coordination. Because you're on the thing. You've got to be quick across the court.
I got me a new driver already. Big fucking hit. Because I was still playing with my little one, and I was driving it just as far as where you go. Now I fucking got this big fucker. Bro! Went down a good one with this young fella. Hit it 305 meters. Drove the ball 305 meters. I was about fucking 60 meters behind.
No! 240, you drive 240. That's a massive drive. I'm not going to drive 100 metres.
Because I've only had 5 games with this new driver. You're going to fucking outdrive everybody you see. Yeah, once I get used to it and make it go straight. Go straight.
I'll go straight.
Yeah, the ball.
I do these ones.
Yeah, it's like, oh, fucking. But it goes a long way.
One of these ones.
And all you hear,
I like driving buggy.
It come out with me and Wayne were one time. But I just said, which one is? Oh, you better fucking 13 or something else. 12, 13? Or we taking over? Yes, son, you drive the buggy. When I tell you to come, you come. I said, boy, bring my fucking putter. I'm standing because I've got my fucking fishing rig. I'm standing and I look like this and I turn around and I'm on the green. And he's in the buggy on the green with me. I said, get out of the bucket and bring my putter. He drove it onto the green. Well, you get us kicked off, man.
me then. I would have done that. That's right, I would have done
And then
that.
it was me and Uncle Wayne.
I would have I'm like, you do
Put
it.
my foot down, let's do it. I had a big smile on my face.
He's trying to do burnouts on the green. GTA.
We went down last year and had a game at the New South Wales.
Who's that?
New South Wales. Fucking on the coast.
Look at that, getting around.
Lapa, it was a Lapa fucking comp. So we went down and played. Fucking Scully. You know Scully?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it's only $60. We get out there with this. It's $150. You fucking black cunt.
Scully.
Fucking hell.
Sit down.
Oh, I'll come and play with you, fellas. You're not coming anywhere.
Very fun.
Do you wear butternut or cola? Do you wear butternut, cola, or butternut, like or cola?
I'll be shirts. Long sleeve too.
But Jordan wears cola.
He's an idiot. He wore one bird within that all an hour. You can't wear those when you walk. They just catch fire. It's like wearing one of those. Just catch fire. Man. You like chili skill? No.
Not yet.
You eat any chilies?
Yeah. She come a long way.
You better have to pump that.
She used to.
You need some aside for her without chili.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you cut 5 chilies in it. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hey, why is she smiling? At least watching TV.
You gotta wash them hands. Wait.
Huh?
Wash them first. Just wash 5.
The boss.
That's me and Melissa.
Look.
The boss. I